Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the free ethical hacking certification. So which is the website in which you can just give a quiz of that website and you can get a free ethical hacking certificate course. So this is the website in which you will have one ethical hacking quiz certificate, and to complete that certification you have to give a 15 questions. Like, it has a 15 question and you have to answer the 15 questions. So there is only one valid answer for each question. It is not of multiple answers. So I already purchased the course, or it is a free course, so you don't have to pay anything for that. So I already purchased, that's why it is showing as a already purchased. So if I go to my courses, yeah, it is available there. And it's not started yet because I haven't started. I just wanted to add it to my cart, so I have added. So now we can start the certification and check how we can get a certificate. So let's get started. So when I go into this, so you can see there is ethical hacking quiz, and it is a instruction which are giving, like whether the multiple choice question have true or false, or the other, or how many answers are there. So if I get started, so you can see the quiz had started. So let's go one by one with the questions. So what is the maximum length of an SSID? So it is a 32 characters. So if you have basic networking knowledge, so you will be able to easily give this quiz, because all most of the questions which are related to networking are available in this course. So if I submit and next, then what is the major difference between an ethical hacker and the cracker? The ethical hacker does it strictly financial, like a cracker who is like a cracker. The ethical hacker is just a cracker who is getting paid. The ethical hacker does not use the same technique as a skills, and the ethical hacker has a authorization to the from the owner of the target. So you can just give this one. And then what are the two basic types of the attacks? So it is a passive and active both. What is the best reason to implement the security policy? So it increases whenever we implement the security policy, it increases the security. So this could be answer. Then what does the term ethical hacking mean? The someone who is using her skill for defensive purposes. So someone is using for ethical reasons, offensive purpose. So it is a defensive purpose. Ethical hacking is nothing but we are using that skills to defend the cyber attacks. So this is the answer. Then we have a packet with all the flags set in which type of scan. So it is XMAS scan. So if you want to check, then you can check. If you have basic knowledge, you will able to solve this. So this answer is XMAS. Then we can go ahead, and then this term is used in hacking circles, which is not used. So vulnerabilities, we know that. Exploits, we know that. Zero day attack is we have in ethical hacking. So integrity is the word which we don't use in hacking. Then if it is illegal and within the scope of a project, the pen tester can undertake war dialing to detect the listening modems and war driving to discover vulnerable access points. So it is not actually the case. So this is the false. So we can just submit and next. From discovery until disclosure, it is a it's a black risk. So if you know the definition of a black risk, you will easily determine that this is answer. Then we can go ahead. What is the primary goal of the using exploits? So the primary goal is to gain the low level access and then escalate privileges and they reach out the roots. Then we can go ahead, identify the key principle in the CIA triad that prevent denial of services attacks. So identify the key principle in the CIA. So it is mostly related to integrity. I'm not sure about this answer. So what does a TCP RST command do? So it restores the connection to the previous state. What is a man trap? So it's a trusted security domain, a device for fiber, a double door room used for physical access, a mechanism for logical accessing control. So you can just like give the security domain. Then we can have life safety means the protecting facility. So it is a false. Then we have like what are the short term solution to the power failures? That is a UPS. UPS is a short term solution. So once you're done with the all 15 question, you can just check the results. So if I check, yeah, so what is the correct answer and what is the wrong answer, you will all get what is the correct and what is the wrong. So if you see, most of the answers are wrong and half of the answers are correct. So what we can do, we can just click here and check if the certification is generated or not. So you see, we are eligible to download. So all the 15 questions are not necessary to be correct. they have some criteria by which you can just get the certificate. So we don't know whether that criteria is 60% or 70%. It is not mentioned right now here. So I have completed the course, and if I go to the website to get the certification, you can see the certification is generated, and the name, my name is there also on the certification, and the date will also come, and I can just download this certification. So if I download the certification, you can see the JPG image is there. So yeah, that's it guys. You will do the ethical hacking certification with this website. I'll give the link of this website in description. So follow to my channel so that you can have more free certification like this. Thank you.